afternoon and welcome back to AUMcuisine. I'm with my friend Sahiti here and she's grown up around AUMcuisine. So today she's going to help me make my teriyaki beans. Hi Sahiti.
Hi Vaidyaji.
How are you? So let's get started. She's an amazing cook herself. So here we go. We're going to be starting with some organic sesame oil. And to that I'm going to be adding in some red onions. So if you could saute them and make sure that they are kind of browning, right? We'll start with the red onions. And then to that we're going to be adding in some garlic and some ginger. And some red chili flakes. Both of us like a lot of heat. Okay, perfect. And we're going to add some red bell peppers on top of that. Cut into little cubes and we'll save the rest. Great. And now's the point we're going to be adding in the green beans. And we want to make sure that the green beans are cut at an angle. So now is the time to put in some teriyaki sauce. Delicious. We'll link it up as to which kind of teriyaki sauce. We use the one which is gluten-free. It's made by a company called Premier, Japan. And some organic tamari. Beautiful. So we're going to put a lid on this and allow it to cook. Perfect. And let's get ourselves a platter, and I'm going to show you a little cute little idea for the plating. That is beautiful. Smells so good. It smells like Asian stir fry takeout. It's really good. Okay, so while we get that, so we just put some rice, which was already cooked, into, like a silicone ice cube. Don't you think that's a good idea?
It's gorgeous.
And look at this. Now we put like this Annie Chun's thing. Take out a few of these, and then we can just arrange them on the side really carefully. Yeah. So pretty. Very cute. That looks really good. Perfect. This is just something we thought of right now, so. I'm going to put some soy sauce and a few dots like so. And we can put some black sesame seeds and some red bell pepper. That's cute. I think it's kind of already done. Let me just see. We'll do a little taste test before we plate up. Come on. Perfect. I like it. You like it? Very good. Oh, that's delicious. So give me some cilantro, Saipi. Very nice. Beautiful. Just a perfect afternoon snack. There you go. So we can't wait to eat it, and I hope you have fun creating it just as much as we have.
Yes.
And we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine. This is Priyanka signing off with Sahiti.